Want to turn your data into beautiful visuals without breaking the bank? Today, I'm sharing the top 5 free data visualization tools that will help you present your data in a compelling way. Let's get started. First up is Google Data Studio, now known as Looker Studio. It's a powerful tool that integrates seamlessly with Google services like Analytics, Sheets, and more. The best part, it offers interactive dashboards, customizable reports, and real-time data updates, all for free. Next is Tableau Public, a favorite among data enthusiasts. It's perfect for creating interactive visualizations and dashboards. While it's free to use, your work will be publicly available, which is ideal for learning and sharing insights with the community. For those who want quick eye-catching visuals, Infogram is a great option. With its drag-and-drop interface, you can easily create charts, infographics, and reports. It also offers templates so you don't need to start from scratch. ChartBlocks is perfect if you need to create charts quickly. It features an easy-to-use chart builder that can pull data from spreadsheets or even live feeds. Plus, it lets you customize every aspect of your charts to match your branding. Last but not least, we have Data Wrapper. It's known for its simplicity and is widely used by journalists and news outlets. You can create responsive charts, maps, and tables, and the visualizations look great on both desktop and mobile. So there you have it, Google Data Studio for seamless integration, especially with other Google services like Analytics, Sheets, Ads, and more, making it perfect for users already in the Google ecosystem. Tableau Public for advanced interactive visualizations, a surely go-to choice for data enthusiasts. For those looking to create quick, visually stunning graphics, Infogram is an excellent choice. If speed is your priority, ChartBlocks is the ideal tool for creating charts quickly and efficiently. And Data Wrapper for clean, professional visuals, which makes it a go-to tool for its simplicity and reliability, especially among journalists and media outlets. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.